So today we have this Xbox Series X controller. Alright, the person told me that it has a stick drift. Alright, nothing is in it, as you can see. Alright, so what we're going to do, we're going to do some maintenance on it, and we are going to use some contact cleaner, which is safe to use on circuit boards, power tools, batteries, and electrical repairs, as you can see right here. Alright, so with that said, we're going to remove covers right here. That is there are two screws right here, same thing on this side, and there's a screw underneath this sticker here. Alright, so what I'm going to do now, I'm going to use a flathead screwdriver and prise this up. Let I show you. Alright, just like that. Hold on. Yes, so it was giving me a little fight, so I'm going to do the same one, but what I realized I have to use a more slim flathead. Hold on, see. Alright, so yeah, just like that. It's because it has these whole heap of groove, it kinda harder. Alright, so we're going to remove 1, 2, 3, 4 screws here, right? So we'll have to use this tool, and remember there's a screw right here, so I'll soon get to that. Alright, so remove it just like that. Same thing for this side. Alright, same thing for this side as well. I'll put these screws aside, do not want to lose them. Alright, so for this we're going to just bore a hole because I don't have any heat gun. And take out the screw. Alright, and then the cover will drop off just like that. Alright, so this is a vibration motor right here that gives you that jerky feeling. Alright, so this come right off. Alright, so for this controller we have two board here. Right, we have the main board that has a wireless board right here, and we have this board is for the buttons right here. Alright, so this main board has 4 motors. Alright, so 2 is here and 2 is right here. Alright, so what I'm going to do now, I'm going to remove these 2 clip here and unscrew 2 screws. Alright, and the board should comes off. Alright, so remove the screw here, put it aside. Same thing here, put this one side. Oh, and we're going to remove this here. So I'm just going to try and lift it off just like that. Take time, just like that, and then hold on. Alright, so we're going to lift this up. Hold on. Try to lift this over here to take it off. Same thing for here. Comes off. Alright, for this section now, we'll lift this from here. Just like that. Alright, so you can see this drop back. Alright, so now we're going to take off this board just like that. Mind the cables, you do not want to damage them. Take out this motor here. Just like that. Take your time. Same thing for here. You have to take your time, guys. Do not want to damage anything. Alright. Alright. So we're going to unscrew the screw that is here. Alright. Take this out. Alright, put this one side. Same thing for here. Unscrew this motor here. Take my timers again. Just like that. And then you want to take your time, take this right around through here, comes around and through here. Same thing for this side. Take this, you have to take this off. Alright, hold on, see if I can get this thing off. Hold on, guys. Trying my best. Alright, finally get it off like that. Then take this right around. Just like that. And take this off. So we're left with the board that has the buttons. Alright. So you have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 screws. Alright. So we're not going to touch this. We are going to work on. Alright. We're going to work on this section here. We're going to clean it with our contact cleaner. Alright. Alright, so the board is down. We're going to raise this back. Hold on. Just like that. Take my time. Alright, so this type is not the one that they can bring back all the way, so I'm just going to spray some cleaner in it, you know, and then close it up back. So this is the one that's giving the issue. So I'm just going to do this side now. Alright. Bring it back a little bit. You see that black watery? Alright. Clean it. Put it back together now. Alright. Alright. So I'm going to do the other side now. Alright, so I already opened them. As I said before, they cannot go any further because how it stays. So all I can do is spray something in it. So remember guys, I'm using contact cleaner. Alright, close it. Alright. Alright. So just dry the area. Alright. So that is just a little maintenance. Alright. On how to fix a stick drift on a Xbox Series X. So I'm just going to fit it up back now, step by step, and let you see the process. Alright. Alright, so we are going to put it back together. So now we're going to careful, alright, put it like this. Alright, these things are delicate and you have to have patience when working on these stuff. Put this back in the rightful place. Hold on. So alright, that is put down. Alright, come here now, just like that. Same thing for here. With this right here, so you have to kind of ease it up a little bit. Hold on. Alright, so finally get it on. Put on these cables now. Alright. Put on that clip. Same thing for here. Alright, I finally get them on. Alright, so this going to come right in this groove. Alright, come underneath here, same thing for here, come all the way, alright, come underneath, comes up, goes here, alright, 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 it was giving me a little fight, so that, just like that. This now it has a groove right there, so this groove gonna come right here. Alright, come on this side, so catch that groove. Alright, then screw it in, just like that. I'm going to do this one now. Alright, do this one here. See if I did another way, if it's much easier. Come here, come like this, alright, like that, and then we are working our way here to alright, alright, so finally get it put back together. Alright, so now we are going to, like, I bring up the camera better. Now we are going to add this button now. Alright, and we are going to add the clip that's supposed to hold it down. Just like that. Alright, now we are going to add the back cover now. Alright, before we add the back cover, we're supposed to put on back these plastic. Alright, so carry this in the corner here. Alright, same thing for here. Alright, same thing for here as well. Hold on, just like that. Why this thing is fighting me? Alright, so you just push it on, just like that. Alright, so now we're going to add the back cover now. Just like that. You have to make sure that these line up properly. Alright. Alright, everything looks good so far. Put on the knobs. Alright, so we drop on the cover now, just like that, and we're going to put back the 5 screws. Alright, it's 1 screw. One screw. Alright, the other one. Alright, you can see. Alright, the other one now. Alright, so it is my first time working on this, so let me know in the comment section down below what you think of this simple maintenance by using this contact cleaner. Alright, so if you like this video, please let me know in the comment section down below, and please like and share. Alright.